If you need a professional-looking 2x2 photo with formal attire, whether it's for an ID, job application, or official documentation, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to do this in Photoshop, even if you don't have a suit handy when snapping your picture. By the end, you'll have a crisp, officially sized photo of yourself in formal wear, ready to print or upload. Let's dive straight in. First, open up Photoshop and create a new document. Set the dimensions to exactly 2x2 inches and make sure the resolution is 300 pixels per inch. That 300 ppi setting is crucial. It ensures your photo will print out sharp and professional, not blurry or pixelated. You'll notice the canvas is pretty small, so you may want to zoom in a bit to work comfortably. Once your document is ready, it's time to bring in your photo. Choose a clear, well-lit image of yourself. Front-facing shots work best. Drag your photo into the canvas. You might need to resize or reposition it so your face is centered and not too zoomed in or out. Imagine how passport or ID photos usually look. Your head and shoulders nicely framed, just enough space above your head. If it feels awkward, take a moment to nudge things around. Getting the positioning right now saves you headaches later. Now, let's kick up the professionalism. Select the background of your photo and remove it. There are a few tools in Photoshop for this. The Quick Selection tool, for example, works great for simple backgrounds. Just brush over the areas, and Photoshop will try to intelligently select the background. If you're dealing with messy edges, don't worry. Use the Refine Edge brush to smooth things out. This step matters because a clean, neutral background is expected for formal ID photos. If it gets tricky, take your time. It's totally normal to fine-tune these edges before you move on. Alright, here's where the magic happens. Adding formal attire. You can use a separate image of a suit or dress shirt. Maybe you sourced a transparent PNG online or scanned in an item. Place this formal attire on a new layer above your photo. If it's not quite in the right position at first, use the transform handles to resize, rotate, and line up the collar and shoulders with your own image. Imagine you're playing a digital game of dress-up. The goal is to make the clothing look like it's really on you, not just plopped on top. Next, grab the Layer Mask tool. With your attire layer selected, add a layer mask and start painting with a soft black brush to carefully remove anything you don't need, maybe parts of the shirt that don't line up or background bits from the clothing image. Don't rush here. Masking lets you gently reveal and hide details, so it's way less destructive than using the eraser tool. If you accidentally hide too much, just switch your brush back to white and paint it back in. It's a forgiving process, so experiment as you go. Here's a tip. Sometimes the collar or lapel of your formal attire won't perfectly match the angle of your own shoulders. That's when the warp tool comes in handy. With your attire layer selected, go to Edit, Transform, Warp, and gently drag the grid points until the shirt or jacket fits naturally. Think of it as stretching fabric so it sits just right. It may take a few tweaks, but you'll see the difference immediately. Once it all looks seamless and you're happy with the composition, it's time to finalize everything. Flatten the image. This merges all the layers into one, making it ready for export. When saving your file, choose JPEG or PNG format, depending on what's required for your application. A quick recap. We set up a precise document size, cleaned up the background, added professional attire, and made sure the fit is convincing. Your new photo should look like you put on formal wear for the shoot, even if you didn't. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and leave a comment below if you have any questions or get stuck on any step. I'm here to help. Make sure you subscribe if you want more Photoshop tips and easy guides like this. Good luck with your photo, and I'll see you in the next video.